guys, in today's video we're going to be doing this look. I'm going to teach you how to get an easy little simple pop of color with an everyday makeup look. But first, listen to my boyfriend's music. I'll list it on the screen and down below in the description. His music was actually in my intro, so definitely check him out. But let me just show you how I got this look. If you want an everyday eyebrow routine, just click the eye right here. And then we're going to go in and prime our lids with Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer. I really like this. Not too drying, and it has really good coverage. I'm just going to blend it out with a beauty blender and not set it. And I'm making this look so easy for you that I'm not even going to use eyeshadow. I'm just going to use this Vitalist powder from CoverGirl, as I kind of use this as my bronzer sometimes. And I'm going to pop it in the crease very messily. Literally, this is like the easiest makeup look I've ever done for you guys. And then we're taking this full spectrum cheek palette from CoverGirl. This is Blush Touch. And then we're just going to take the middle shade and pop it all over the lid. And I just use a brush, and then I make it a little bit more intense with my finger because, you know, I can't just not be extra. And then we're just blending it all together. This is something new that I got from Rimmel. This is their Precision Micro Eyeliner. I cannot say that word. That's like a mouthful for me. I really like this for everyday little wings and like detail work. I would definitely get it because it's really black. And then we're taking that same CoverGirl palette and just highlighting our brow bone and inner corner with the lightest shade. And that is all for the eyes. Now onto the face. We're using the Ofra Cools Cucumber Moisturizing Primer. I really like this primer because it's really cooling and it does not actually make my skin oily. It's like one of my favorite primers ever. And then we're going to be using everybody's favorite at the moment. This is L'Oreal Fresh Wear Foundation. I am in the shade 475. And I'm doing a light layer of this because I was going to like a cookout type of thing with my boyfriend. So I just wanted it to be a light layer of coverage. Nothing too cakey, nothing too thick, nothing that's going to give me complications. And I really like this foundation for this. And then we're just going to go back in with the same concealer and conceal our under eyes because my under eyes, they be so dark, and this concealer just cancels all that out. So I really like this concealer. And now we're going to set our face with the Kiss Pro Touch Banana Setting Powder. I love this powder. It's so finely milled and there's no flashback. And now we're just going to take this Vitalist powder from CoverGirl and bronze our face up just a tiny bit. And you can totally skip this step, but I went in with my favorite bronzer to just give me some more dimension because I have a very round face and I like to have my cheekbones pop in. But we're going to take this Vitalist powder again and just run it up under the eyes. And then for highlight, we're going to go in with the lightest shade in this palette that we've been using. You guys, this highlight really makes me like, I don't know, it does something to me. Like, look how amazing that looks. But now we're going to go in with the blush and just bless up our cheeks. I like to use dual fiber brushes for my blush, if you haven't noticed. They just go on so much easier. And for my first pop of color, we're going to use the 3D Brow Tones from Benefit. This is the shade Magenta. And I'm just working this through my brows and building it up and building the color that I want. You can go as light or as deep or as vibrant as you want. There are a lot of different shades and I really like this stuff. Even if you just want something like more dimension to your brows, they even have like a blonde one. But now we're going to go in with the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Pop that on our lashes. And you can definitely add lashes if you want, but I just didn't because I didn't want to be too extra like I always am. For our second pop of color, we're going in with this Kylie lip kit. This is shade Valentine, and I'm obsessed with this lip color. Like, I was feeling myself this day with this lip color. The formula of the lip liner is so good, along with the matte formula. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with these freaking lip kits. It's gonna make me broke. And this, you guys, is the finished look. I love this look. My boyfriend could not stop staring at me this day. Honestly, he knows it. Yes, I'm calling you out, but thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. That's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, Percocet.